Hello everyone, Nènè here. Welcome to Nènè Finance. This is a new forum I created for one reason only, to teach everyday people how to invest and trade stock so they can become financially independent in a rapidly changing world. We are no longer living in an industrial era. We are now in the post-industrial era. Artificial intelligence and robotics are taking over, especially here in the United States, the world #1 country for business and technology. Jobs we once depended on are disappearing or changing fast. Architecture, engineering, manufacturing, assembly line, driving job, taxi, Uber, DoorDash, FedEx, UPS. As we speak, Tesla is preparing to launch a robo-taxi, car with no pedals and no steering wheels. This is not the future. This is now. So the question becomes very simple. What do you do when robots are doing the jobs you once depended on to survive? You have two choices. You can sit and complain, or you can adapt. A smart move is to invest in the very companies that are building these technologies. Let your money work for you instead of working forever just to survive. Here's something many people don't realize. Your money is already working, not for you, but it's working. When you deposit your money in the bank invests that money in the stock market every single day. They make 10, 20, 40, up to 100% or more with your money. Then they turn around and they give you 2 to 3% interest. This is what Nènè Finance exists, to teach you how to do what banks do with your money. That's it. And keep your profit for yourself. Now, here's the good news. You do not need a lot of money. You can start with as little as $50. This is not about getting rich fast. This is about discipline, structure, and control. So here's your first lesson. And this part is very important. Very important. If you are serious about learning how to invest and trade, click the Robinhood link below this video. Open an account with $50. Buy Rocket Lab. The letter is RKLB. That is all. That's all. No other stock, no option, no trading around. Only $50. Yesterday, I ran the same challenge in the forum itself. 12 people follow instructions. Others did not. Some invested $300, $500. One woman told me, "Nènè, I invested $1,000. I said, "Why? Didn't I say 50? I said, "That's not discipline. If you cannot follow instruction, this is not for you." With $50, if you cannot follow the instruction with $50, you will not manage 5,000, 50,000, or 5 million properly. This forum is for people who are serious. Nènè Finance is not about hype. Okay, we're not doing this to show off or to impress anybody. Okay, it is about education, discipline, and financial independence. We are entering a new era. Now is the time to build capital that work for you. Let's get started the right way. Okay? Thank you for your support. Have a great weekend.